made it. Paul, we made it. Natural landmark. Birthplace of American something. Established in 2009.
We're gonna have to go real slow.
Huh? It's Big Bone Lick.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. How thick is it? Thick enough for a sucker. I thought it looks like there's a path this way.
Alright, well I have to walk out to it.
Yeah.
If I die, our first trip was great.
Did you give him a high five?
Don't you want to? Oh shit!
Why would you do that? Why would you put me up against an opponent of that appalling quality? Why would you do that? And the answer was, because I knew you could win.
Well, that was a video. What'd you think about it? What was your favorite part of that day? That was day one, by the way, which is like, I feel like we should mark this as important. File it away under in the I folder for important and eye-opening. Big Bone Lick, you know, they said that was the birthplace of American vertebrate paleontology, I think, or something like that.
I saw that too.
Which is still not quite sure what that means. Isn't a vertebrae like your spinal cord? So they just dug up a bunch of like old Indian spines or something? Oh well. There were mammoths on the sign, so that was
There was a
cool.
mammoth, and it was big bone.
It was big boned. The mammoth was definitely big.
Big bone lake or lick lake.
Big Bone Lick.
Big Bone Lick.
But there was also a lake there, so you can add the extra alliteration if you so.
Big Bone Lick Lake.
BBLL. Go see it at your nearest convenience. What about that snowman?
We found a snowman.
We did find the snowman. We didn't build it.
Yay tall.
It looked like a snowman that had seen like days though. Like it was melted and it was like bubbly.
Wasn't cute.
Yeah.
I mean cute in size, but
yeah. No. I mean until you beat him up. Broke his arm. What about those ducks though? You really seem to enjoy those ducks.
I liked the mallards.
The mallards.
No.
It's very respectful of you.
They almost flew at me when I was standing there, and then they saw me and kind of jetted off to the side, so I was like...
So that was it. We're looking for James.
We are looking for James.
And that was our first video that we've ever done in our entire lives ever. Just kidding. If you liked it, watch another one or don't. All right then. Well, that is that's about as clean as it comes. It
could be cleaner.
It just came in and we just came in and we cleaned it all up.
Goodbye, folks.
And there we go.
Man, what is it? Big
The name always escapes me.
Bucklick?
Yep, it was that.
What was it?